It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello, welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And before I start, I just want to show you, Lacey says hello. Hey, we haven't seen you in a video for a while. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made these little mini photo albums. They're kind of handy for like little extra wedding gifts. You know, anything, baby shower, just change the paper on it. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, I made these some time ago, and I have several, but I'm just showing you two different ones just to get an idea you can change the paper. So anyways, it looks like this. I saw this and another person, I did this a while back, and I'm not sure what channel I saw, but it was like this in another channel a while back, and I just thought I'd have to do it. So there's the front and the back cover, and it looks like this, and there's pockets you can put things in, more pictures, and this is a belly band you slide off, and you're going to put photos on both sides of it, which you can fit quite a bit. So you got here, it's a waterfall, called a waterfall display, how it's done. And what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. So that would be like 15 pages you could do. Plus you could put some over here. Now that's the first one. I'll show it like this. But you can change it up to make it in a different kind of paper. And we'll put it right there. And then I got this one here to show you. Different color paper. And same thing, only right here I put as using it like as a wedding one, and I got a special card inside this one that says, "May your love grow stronger, deeper, and more beautiful with every passing year." So this could be pictures, or they could the wedding, you know, who's ever getting married, I mean to say, could write notes or whatever on this one, and then put a picture on the back of that. And then you can put more pictures inside here, or little trinkets, tiny keepsakes. And then here the belly band comes off like this. And I do have wedding wishes on this one. And take that off. And again, the waterfall. And it holds 15 pictures. So I just want to show you a little short video on these ones that I did. And they can be made in different colors, like I said, for bridal showers, wedding showers, even a gift for, you know, for somebody older, your grandkids, like, you know, you can make it for your grandparents to show pictures of your grandkids. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was pretty short, but I thought I'd just do a short video and show you the little mini photo albums I made. So I hope you enjoyed it, and like always, please give it a like, share it, and comment. And if you're new, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.